Hi friends, I show you wooden handlebar by WoodyBro. Now I gonna test it out. Crash-test. Here is my friend Dmitry. Let's check his weight out. 136 kilograms. Put our handlebar on the wooden blocks. Pay your attention. Something's cracking, but it's not the handlebar, just blocks. Jump, Dmitry. So, as you see, there is no doubt that this handlebar is really stable. Let's add the dog here. Dog's weight is 30 kilograms, 160 kilograms in total. So friends, crash test with wooden handlebar by WoodyBro successfully ended. Strong as Ukraine, resistant as Ukrainian army.